Agility, speed, innovation. Those are the asks from the C-suite. Let's speed up. Let's take advantage of opportunities. The cloud certainly is a huge enabler for speed because it gets you out of some traditional IT heavy lifting. This ability to spin up and spin down capacity and make it available to your organizations is the power of cloud. The shift from old legacy technologies to cloud-enabled technologies is a different way of working, and so your old processes cannot move into that future with you without real transformation. And that's the conversation that everyone's having, but they sometimes think the transformation is just about the tech, and the people have to come with it. We often suggest to people to create some more autonomy, because with autonomy, with moving decision-making down, you get speed. 3M is a great example of a large organization that has figured out how to innovate on existing products, but also inventing new products and getting into new lines of business. One of the things we've been able to partner with them on is the use of a data lake and AI and ML tools to really analyze opportunities based on insights into data. One of the stories about something that we partnered with Carrier to accomplish was the Carrier cold chain. They have a new system to improve and solve the gaps in that supply chain, empowering not only their organization, but their partners and customers with data. Today, the conversation is not about migrating to cloud and getting out of data center. It's about IoT. It's about artificial intelligence. And so migrating to cloud is a foundation that enables all of these technologies in autonomous vehicles or in a manufacturing plant. Getting people out of the middle of heavy machinery is a safety issue. And so the robotics are powerful for that. What excites me most about this technology and the future of the technologies that we are building at AWS is all the possibilities, the things that we haven't even imagined.